going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. And first, we get into the funny article. We have Trump to launch his own social media platform. Also, we have Biden's closest advisors have ties to big business and Wall Street, making millions, and which it should say is billions, because we know Biden's been in office for 46 years and counting. Now, guys, getting over in the stocks, we have the NASDAQ up. Why? That's right, because the yields are down. And guys, don't forget the Fed is going to pump and dump these stocks. The reason why? Because majority of these stocks are already maxed out, guys. The fact is these valuations, remember, they have to work their way up to it. A lot of these actual stocks don't even have the actual product. And I'm going to go over that later. But we have Cathie Woods of ARK Invest sees Tesla hitting $3,000 per share by 2025. And can this happen? Yes, it definitely can. The reason why, because we know about autonomous. We know about the fourth industrial revolution where humanity is taken out the picture. So yes, can it get to 3,000 with China rising? Yes, but they have to be a big player in China. And that remains to be seen. Now we have TKAT art that I went over. Blast off. And guys, no, I didn't get the amount that I wanted to get. And I did sell in after hours. I'm not saying it's not going to go higher. I may come in later. Not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But because NFTs have been pumping, when I saw this actual stock, just like I said, I've been watching it for a while. I kept seeing it move up. I didn't bring it to you because I didn't go into it and I didn't know a lot about the company, but it just kept rising. That's the reason why I bought it to you. And as we can see, it hit $60, which is ridiculous. But we see what's going on with NFTs, guys. Makes no sense. We know the Fed is controlling it all. Now we have Saudi Aramco profit slump 44%. And guys, we know this all part of the New World Order agenda to get us moved over to clean energy. But for right now, guys, we know oil is not going anywhere. Exxon, Chevron, not going anywhere. Now we have the NFL eyes over $100 million per year for its data rights. And we know that's the real reason Amazon wanted to get exclusive rights. Data, guys, we know how important it is. I go over just about every single video. Now we have Vizio also doing an IPO next week, and their business model is going to be geared around ads. And we know streaming providers are going to start putting in the same ads as we saw on television. Before, people went over to streaming to get away from ads. Ads are following. The reason why? They follow the money. Now, with these rising yields, guys, we definitely see the tech stocks pumping and dumping. We have Tesla, we have the chip stocks, AMD, Nvidia. We have QuantumScape shares are actually falling because they're going to be offering 13 million shares. So definitely, guys, you want to see these stocks correct and then go in. Are you going to make a lot of money? No. But it is easy, quick money. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. The reason why, guys, is we know these stocks are not going anywhere. They're part of the fourth industrial revolution. So once they correct, you know they're going to be going right back up as long as the Fed is manipulating these yields. Now, we do know eventually they're going to stop. But right now, they're going to keep this show going on. Now, we also have GameStop earnings are tomorrow. So it's definitely going to be an entertaining day tomorrow. That's GameStop, guys. We have Coinbase. Of course, the cryptocurrency exchange IPO is delayed until April. The CFTC fined the company $6.5 million for fraudulent behavior. You can go check out my video on the main channel, Crypto Teacher. So therefore, you can learn about the new economy. Now, we also had Powell speak about crypto today. Also, go check my video out. So therefore, you can watch the two videos I'm going to do today about Powell on my main channel. But he said basically cryptocurrencies are speculative assets. What I always tell you about is not backed by anything. I've been saying this the whole time. But the only thing about Powell stated is that Bitcoin is like gold. But he said it was speculative. Gold is not speculative. And gold is definitely a store of value. That's the reason why who has all the gold? That's right, the central banks. And like I always tell you, I'm not letting my gold go until the central banks let theirs go. They have it all in the vaults, guys. Now we have Kansas City Southern is being bought by Canadian Pacific, and always go over the railways. This is very, very important. Because with the fourth industrial revolution, railways are definitely going to make a comeback. Now, looking over the actual indicators, guys, we had the dollar down, we had the VIX down, and we had yields down, which equals the market was up. But it was barely up. But we know they have the money to manipulate the markets. We know about the 1.5 trillion. I keep you up to date with everything. And lastly, guys, do not forget about the fourth industrial revolution ETFs. Of course, you have your cannabis, you have your clean energy, you have your commodities, and then you also have your gaming. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget to go to the main channel, Crypto Teacher. Learn crypto, blockchain, learn the new economy. Also, like, subscribe, spread everywhere. And this channel, like, subscribe, spread it everywhere. And y'all have a wonderful day.